tonight, today, December 23rd, celebrating his 50th wedding anniversary. That's unbelievable.
That's a lot of years.
Put it in the book, put it in the book, put it in the book and send them to the line. Vince Carter. Oh, turn the sprinkler systems on. Vince Carter is on fire.
Me and Mrs. Reynolds will be going wild. Till 10 anyway.
He slid into my DM. Coz, how come on TV you're almost as tall as Christy? That ain't true.
I'm a big girl, Coz. I don't know if you realize that. You got to get off your box, though. Then you'll get a better idea.
That's just mean-spirited. Get off my soapbox. Look at this. This is what the show should look like. She always accuses me of being so short. This is how this show should look. If we were actually to do this show.
Don't do it. You got to go back on the
look.
box. I'm young, I am single, and I can do whatever I want.
Really, just amazing the number of mishandled balls we've seen.
The reason you get married is not the reason you stay married.
Yeah,
that
my mom
crazy?
said I was weird, but it's all good.
Yeah, your mom's not the only one.
I mean, you want to talk about taking someone to school. Zach Randolph.
Well, he took him to school and took his lunch money.
And I think I've spent more anniversaries with you than your wife has.
I think you have.
Which is scary.
Maybe that's why we're still married. I don't know.
Willie Duncanstein just simply whamming and jamming on anybody in the area.
I didn't know Furkan Korkmaz. Is that a real player? Is he really in the league?
Did you say podcast?
I did.
Do you know what a podcast is?
I do. I did it.
Hi, Katie.
Hi.
Oh, wait.
You know what, Coz?
100.
I say stop.
Wow. That is a rejection that you're only going to get on NBC Sports
Bang.
California.